Scrappy peeps, Suzanna here today with my latest Tuesday morning haul. There's kind of a mix of things here, so I will start with the Amy Tangerine. So this is a paper pack. I think it's either 20 or 25 pieces of pattern paper. So you've got the triangles on one side, and then you've got these square cut aparts. It's a 25 pack, sorry. Square cut aparts, and this is from her Shine On collection. I love getting the paper packs of these sort of more generic pieces because they make great paper layers, as well as I will definitely be able to use these different squares. And so there is the product locator number for $1.99 for all of that pattern paper is a great deal. I also got the 6x6 paper pad that goes with that Shine On collection. So there's what is in that, and you can see the gold foil in that. Plants, black and white plants, cameras, and the gold foil in those diagonal stripes. The bunnies, that might be fun for Easter, to do a kind of a different Easter, but it does have the pastels, the strips, leaves, and I love that gold foil wood pattern, wood grain. Asymmetrical triangles, pink flowers or white flowers on pink, and then the trees with the gold foil, and then leaves. I did a layout with that with the so this collection was in the scrap room kit. I love those little hearts, flowers, and then so this is that particular piece but in smaller scale. More flowers, and the vines, gold foil on the navy. So just one of each pattern, but it's great because it's not double-sided, so you don't feel bad about using it. And then these are the thickers that go with that. Oh, sorry, you may have wanted the, so there's the product locator number and $2.99 for that. And then these are the thickers that go with that. So again, a lot of gold foil. Love, party, awesome, how cute, like, you can read them all by yourself, but yeah, flowers. So a nice mix of all kinds of sayings and bits and pieces. And there's the product locator number and the price. I'm going to continue to show you the product locator number. Some people say they work, some people say they don't. I think it just varies where you are. So these are from Pebbles. They're acetate overlays. And so those are all the different ones that there are, but I'm going to lay them out. And don't forget, there's a clear protective coating on them. My family, father, plain, 08, plain, sister, brother, mother, grandpa, sister, again, same one I think, and a floral. So, and they are $1.99, and that's the product locator number for that. Alrighty, and then more Vicki Boutin score. I got the art crayons that are the cool collection because I won the warm ones. So those are the crayons. That's the product locator number for that. And then those are all of the colors that were in these. So love those. You can use them wet, you can use them dry. Heidi Swapp. So those are all the letters. They're a gray acetate, and that's the product locator number for that for $1.99. A couple of more typecast. They had some hot pink 4x3 cards. They're like Project Life size cards. Happy Moment, Oh Happy Day, and these are, it's more like a copper foil. Our Adventure, Notes from Today, and a circle, and then Don't Forget. So I like those colors, and I like that they're the smaller rounded corners. I would love if they were right angles, but they're not. So for $1.99, can't argue with that. And there's the product locator number for that. And these are Heidi Swapp. They are word phrases, and you can use them with your Mink. Whoops, I ripped that, but there's what they look like there. And so these can be run through. So that would be gold, and the outside of these, or whatever color foil you run them through, or you could just use them as they are. And then more Heidi Swapp. These are glitter letter stickers, but I like that they're more of that sort of, I have the dies for these in Echo Park, but you can see, can you see? They're, I need a piece of colored paper to hold them behind. They're kind of that print. There you go, more like a calligraphy print is what those are. And there is the product locator number for that. And then last but not least, two thicker sets. So you saw that I had the Whimsy ephemera. Well, these are the thickers, the chipboard pieces that go with that collection. And that's the product locator number there. Whimsical. And then last but not least, a little more Maggie Holmes. And those are those pieces. I love these and that label. And there's the product locator number for that. So that is my latest haul. That's actually 2 hauls. I was somewhere. Oh, I went out to get the car from this dealer, and was at a store that isn't my usual store. So that's why I was able to get some of the slightly different things. So thanks for stopping in today. I hope you're doing well. Take care.